Hi there, I'm Carrie from Carrie's Crochet Corner, and today we're going to be doing the puff stitch. So if you're new to my channel, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. So it's down on the bottom right hand corner for you to click. This is a great channel for beginners or beyond. I try to do different stitches each week for you. I am wearing a puff stitch cowl that I made from something that's called Carrie Colorama Halo. And this is the skein of yarn that I got it off of. Thanks to my brother-in-law. Thank you very much for donating these things for me that you found for me. Really soft yarn. So today we'll be using a worsted weight yarn. I am using US terms. And today I am also using a size I hook for today's example. So the puff stitch. Here we have a diagram for the puff stitch. So you need to chain a multiple of 2, all right? So you need an even number of stitches. Then you will chain 3 stitches and you'll double crochet in that 4th chain from the stitch, which I'll show you. And then double crochet all the way to the end, and you can see on my diagram, and then you'll chain 3 and add another chain, which is chain 4. Puff stitch here, you skip a stitch, puff stitch, skip a stitch, puff stitch, and so forth. And so it's a great 2-row repeater. So join me under the camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Carrie's Crochet Corner. I have 2 samples here. Here's the Carrie's Soft Colorama Halo. It's really soft. And here is my sample. So we're going to get started with the sample. I've got some worsted weight yarn here. And I'm going to chain 18. Slip knot. We're going to chain 18. All right, so once you have your even number, you're going to chain another 3. And we'll double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. To do a double crochet, you're going to yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Again, yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, go through 2. So we're going to double crochet all the way to the end. All right, and then last stitch. Okay, so to make the puff stitch row, we start by chaining 3, but then add 1. So essentially it's a chain 4. We're going to turn our work. Okay, this is the tricky part. This is not, I'm not gonna go here or here. I'm gonna actually skip a stitch. So I'm skipping, it looks like the 3rd stitch from the hook here. So we're going to puff here, right? So this is the stitch we're skipping. So we're going to yarn over, go into the stitch, pull it up, yarn over again, pull up a stitch, yarn over again. And you should have what looks like 7 stitches on the hook. But we're going to yarn over and go through the 6 stitches. Then you'll have 2, yarn over, go through those 2. And then you need to chain 1 stitch to secure it. Okay, so we're going to skip this next stitch and do a puff here. Yarn over, go into the stitch, pull it up, yarn over. I'm going to need some more yarn here. Okay. All right, now we're going to go through those first 6. You're left with 2, yarn over, go through those 2, and then secure it with a chain stitch. So you continue to do that at the end of the row. Skip, do a puff, skip, do a puff. This is great for cowls, scarves. You can even do it for blankets, ear warmers, a headband. One more puff. And then I'm skipping this stitch here, and then I'm going to do a double crochet at the top of that turning chain, the chain 3 at the beginning of the row. So double crochet, kind of just squeeze it right in there. And that's our first puff stitch row. We're going to chain 3, turn your work. Now we're going to work on this double crochet row. I'm going to double crochet in each chain space, then at the top of the puff stitch. So we'll continue to do that, and then I'll show you how to finish off the row. So double crochet here. Now double crochet at the top of the puff. So I'm not going here, I'm going to go right there where you see that loop. Now it's hard to go in that chain stitch, that's why I'm going in the chain space. Much easier, it looks nice and even. Can continue that till the end. All right, I'm at the last puff stitch. So here I did it on top of the puff stitch, right? I'm going to go in this space, pretending like it's a chain one space. Now I'm going to double crochet at the top of this turning chain. And then you would chain 4. So each time, it's chain 3 and then chain 1. You do a puff stitch, you want to do that chain 4 to start the row. So there you have it. We've got our repeating row here. You start off with the double crochet, puff stitch, double crochet, puff stitch, and then you just keep doing that. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch for new videos. Thank you.